Raisin, help us get the quadrantals. In radians. So, if you guys need help, like you're majorly struggling, I'm writing the coefficient here 1. And Raisin helped us with a 0. So this might help you count them. Keep going. So that's 2 pi over 2, or just pi. And this one, 2 pi or 4 pi over 2. So, class, count with me. Ready, set, go. 0. Okay. Alonzo, I need denominators of 6. So I'm going to have to multiply by what number? Shh, girls. This one you're going to multiply by 3? Yeah. 3 pi over 6. This one becomes what? This one? And this one? 12 pi over 6. Good job. Melissa, I don't like negative numbers, so I'm going to use a coterminal angle. What number would I have to add to that? I'll give you a hint. It's somewhere on here. Correct. To get this number to be a coterminal, like I want to work with a positive, she says add 2 pi. 2 pi is equivalent to 12 pi over 6. In class, that'll give me a what? 5 pi over 6. Now, it's positive. Put your finger where 5 pi over 6 is. Okay, again, if you're like majorly struggling, hopefully I can point this out. 5 is between 3 and 6. And it's closer to 5, so it's somewhere right here. Raise your hand if you got quadrant 2. Okay, what does this mean? 5 pi over 6 is, guys, let me finish. This is a distance of 5 pi over 6. In orange, 5 pi over 6. So class, how much more do you need to get it to be 6 pi over 6? Just 1 pi over 6, as Ronaldo says. So this green here, kind of small, so if I can zoom in. The reference angle, the answer is theta prime is pi over 6, the green. Now, there is students in the past, and maybe that's you, is like, Mr. Ring, I don't like radians. So I'm going to convert everything into degrees. The class, your answer is the questions they're giving you in radians, and they want an answer in radians. Okay? So does that mean you're going to go from radians to degrees, and then work in degrees, and convert back to radians? You can. It's not wrong. Okay? But it's a lot of work, right? It's like you're saying, I want to run 1 mile, but I don't want to go that distance. That path is too difficult, so I'm going to run 3 miles to get to the same location as the 1 mile.